Hey guys, this week we are going to be looking at chapter 12. So we're still going to be talking about measurements, but we're going to be solving problems with measurement. So for chapter 11, we kind of looked at the difference between each unit of measurement. We talked about what we would use to measure things. Um, some of that was hard to do virtually, so I know that that was kind of a more complicated chapter. But this one, we are going to learn how to solve problems with measurement. So we're going to use some of the same skills that we used in chapter 11, but we're going to be digging a little bit deeper with it. We're going to look at our explore and grow first. And also, this is a shorter chapter, so we will be finished with this chapter at the beginning of next week.
Your goldfish is 4 centimeters long. It grows 6 more centimeters. Use the number line in the ruler to show how long the goldfish is now.
Okay, so if our goldfish is, we can look at that, we have centimeters on here. If our goldfish is 4 centimeters, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and it grows 6 more centimeters. We're going to add 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So our goldfish went from 4 centimeters to 10 centimeters.
How long is the goldfish now? What is the same about your ruler and the number line? What is different?
So if you look at your ruler and your number line, now let me pull it back up. Everything counts by ones, and there's a line for each number, but the units are not necessarily going to be the same. So we can use it to count, but we can't use it to measure. So we already have our measurements, so that's why we can use a number line. All right, now we are going to take a look at our Think and Grow for today.
An ant walks 5 centimeters and stops. Then it walks 4 centimeters. How far does the ant walk in all? You can use the number line to solve. First, the ant walks 5 centimeters. Then it walks 4 more centimeters. 5 plus 4 equals 9. So, the ant walks 9 centimeters. A paper is 11 inches long. You cut off 3 inches. How long is the paper now? Use the number line to solve. The paper is 11 inches long. 3 inches gets cut off. 11 minus 3 equals 8. So the paper is now 8 inches long.
All right, let's look at a few examples before we move on to our practice for today. Remember to make sure you're doing your practice in your big ideas through Clever. So you sign in through Clever and go to your big ideas so that I'm able to go back and check your answers. You swim 15 meters and take a break. So this number line shows 15 meters. Then you swim 10 meters. Choose the number line that models how many meters you swim. Okay, so you swim 15 and then you swim 10. So this one is adding, this one is subtracting. So this one's 15 and then takes away 10. This one is 15 and then adds 10 more. So this would be our correct answer. So we would say 15 plus 10 is 25. So you swim 25 meters. All right, let's look at one more. The ribbon is 16 yards long. You cut off 7 yards. Choose the number line that models how long the ribbon is now. So if it's 16 and you cut off 7, you're going to subtract 7. So we're going to use this number line and subtract 7. So it would be 16 minus 7 equals, so it comes down to 9 on the number line. So the answer is 9 yards. The ribbon is 9 yards now. All right, now you guys are going to work on your 12.1 practice and let me know if you have any questions with it.